Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to adjust microphone sound level in your Windows 10 laptop or PC. So at first just go to start option and then click on settings option. After that go to system and then click on sound, and here at the corner you can see sound control panel option, then just click here. After that you can see this interface, then you have to just click on recordings, and that's it. Now from the recordings option you can find your all the microphone. You can see in my PC current microphone is Mauno microphone. Then just double click here, and here you can see labels option, then just click here, and that's it. Now from here you can adjust your microphone sound level, and you can set any level as you want, and then click on OK, and it's done. And that is how you can adjust microphone sound level in your Windows 10 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.